Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at BNB. We're going to double check this. Man, it's taken off. Definitely looking good. Solid chance it's going to be able to sustain its price action because there's a lot of volume coming in this coin. So it's funny, a lot of money is coming away from alts, but going right into BNB, it seems like. Obviously, Bitcoin's recovering too. This has a lot to do with it. But the truth is BNB did not retrace or do much at all when that pullback happened and has since taken off. So this is usually a very good sign. We're going to take a look at the back end data and kind of see what's going on. So if you're new to the channel, welcome on board. Been trading for over 20 years and teaching for a long time too. So I hope you can learn something today if you want to become a better trader. Just know I have a trading academy, community, and signals group. Link down below for that. CryptoCash.tech is the website. Check it out if you want. Okay, so what I want to talk about here is, this upper level liquidation. We swept a lot at 601 and it's been running ever since. So the truth is there's a lot of liquidation down about 570. So you do got to be mindful that this is not like a perfect scenario. The price could very well pull back, but there's a solid amount of support based at that 570 mark anyways. That's why there's a lot of liquidation there too. So you got to recognize that, liquidation accumulates at support zones, and we can see pretty obviously here a lot of support at that range there at about 570, 575, where the price action continued to, bounce off. Really, there was nothing that happened there. The price could not pass that level. All right, so again, really good stuff. Let's look at the daily, work our way down and see what's going on. Daily time frame is going to be pretty bullish here. We're over the 200, 20, 50, 20-day SMA, the whole 9 yards. Everything is perfectly underneath the price action. This is good. The ascending trend line is running concurrent with the 20-day SMA as well, just confirming that we are bullish. We can also see really looking good here on the RSI. We're between 50 and 70. Money flow index increasing, stochastic swinging up. Only thing we don't have is a MACD convergence, which is probably going to happen eventually soon, especially if we break through our high here, our most recent high at 645. That's pretty awesome. We take a look at the 4-hour time frame, of course, as well. We can confirm that we're still on ascending trend, that the ascending trend here is still looking good. We're running concurrent with the 50, 20, 200-day SMA. Everything's below the price action. That's reaffirming support and the fact that taking along with this coin would be much more beneficial than considering a short position. Okay. Again, until we lose this ascending trend line, we can presume the price will continue higher. MACD is converging quite strong. We're up over 50 on the RSI, trending close to 70. We could be coming up on a resistance here soon. Money flow index isn't like phenomenally high, but it's higher than the most recent 14 candles. Okay, so that's why the MFI looks kind of off there. But if you look at this here, you can confirm there's definitely a lot of volume coming in this coin. Okay. So good, looking very good there. And if we look at the hourly, we can see the high MFI, and that's definitely a good confirming factor. And then we take a look at the hourly too as well, just looking at the cloud here. We can confirm that the price action is well above the cloud, which is trending right around that 586, 585 mark. Really, there's no reason to consider taking a short into this coin right now. And again, is taking a long right now a viable option? Yes and no. It is absolutely in a lot of ways, because the truth is everything's pretty much confirming bullish. But me personally, I prefer to wait for pullbacks before I take a trade like this. So, we could very well see a rejection off this 0.786 fib level. That does run concurrent fairly well with that 70 in the RSI and the 4-hour. So my speculation is we're going to see a pullback in the relative near future. Nothing super substantial, but if the price does come down to just say 600 or 601, I'm going to be considering an entry at that level. Okay. Look, I'm just going to set some alerts. I've got alerts on a lot of coins here today to try to maybe consider taking some longs. Just based on how well Bitcoin's behaving, it's definitely pulling back and recovering quite nice. We need it to hold above this ascending trend line, this descending trend line. So if Bitcoin can kind of maintain where it's at 69.5 or higher, I think there's a solid chance we're going to see the price action continue up. So definitely looking good here in the overall sense of most coins, but BNB definitely looking strong. So I'm looking for an entry somewhere in the low $600 range as a potential consideration for a long. All right, folks, I hope that made sense. I described that correctly. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear it. And, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet already. Deeply appreciate it, too. Thank you so much for the awesome support. And congrats again to our committee members. Yes, we triggered a stop loss on Solana, but made up the difference here with the ICP short, 43%, and FTM long, which is due to hit its third profit target here soon. All right, folks, thanks again. Hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.